In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to remove clock and date from your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the search box, type for settings. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear. Please navigate to the right side of it and wait until you can see an option called Open to continue. Once it's here, directly click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up these settings as well. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option called time and language, click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see four options. Please proceed to date and time. Afterwards, you'd be able to open the date and time settings. Where here, you need to proceed to this option, show time and date in the system tray. So there you can see a switched option aligning to it. Just turn it off and then close this window. And there you have that. You have just successfully removed the clock and date from your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.